Hey Andrew, my name is Lee Turbianic, and I work with Ashley Fisk that you were in contact with about this free custom video. In the video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and that you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above the competition, not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. It has to be unique content and can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, and as you can see, you don't have a website at the moment. I just found a Facebook page that you're currently using for business and to post on, but a website could be crucial and could be bringing in a ton more business. Um, every month, people are searching for keywords, and you're missing out by not having a website and being number one at that. So I went in with fencing first. Now, Google is broke down into three sections. Usually up top is the ads that people pay for. This middle second section is called the GMB, the Google My Business section. And to get into this, you use citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across directories on the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, anything, anywhere that your name, address, and phone number can go in directories. And the third section is the organic section. This is where your website would be, and to be in the top spot on this is something called a backlink. A backlink is any other website that refers back to you. It's basically a popularity vote. You know, I'm sure you've seen a website that has a hyperlink in it that you clicked on and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves that because that's a vote coming from that website stating that your website is reliable. So webs or backlinks is what will rank you in this section. Citations, good reviews, some pictures, anything that's better than your competition will rank you in this section. So the first thing I did was look at the the content on yours, which you don't have a website, so you have no content. But your first place organic guy was Latham Custom Fencing. So we went under their page to see what kind of content they had. They have maybe 250 words on their homepage, which isn't very great and it's very beatable. You want that much so you can put in those keywords I was talking about. So I did a search on Ahrefs for Latham. Now, this is a paid tool I use monthly that shows me statistics, keywords, backlinks, everything that powers your website. So I put them in here, and their keywords, they're being found for 63 keywords. So we click on that, and it brings up all their keywords. They're being found for Piedmont fence builders. Now, this volume is how many searches monthly that people are typing in Google. So actually 20 people, which, and this is give or take, it's not 100% accurate, but 20 people are typing in Piedmont fence builders each month, and that's a 0 KD. KD is keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for that. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So if it's up in the 20s, 30s, that means there's a lot of other companies battling for this keyword to be number one, and it's going to take some work to rank there. But if it's a 0, that means there's barely any, which, as you can see, there's not many people in that organic section. So there's 20 searches just for that keyword alone. I went down fencing Salisbury, North Carolina, 20 searches for that. That's 20 fence jobs. That's 20 people looking to have a fence done in that for that keyword. And that's a 1, easy to rank. Piedmont fence, Winston-Salem, 30 and 1. Lexington fence, 50 and 4. Lexington vinyl fence, 50 and 5. Fence builders, Winston-Salem, 100 searches a month, and it's a 6 KD. So there's not many websites. 0 to 5 KD you can usually rank in 3 to 6. 6 to 10 KD, 6 to 8 months. It's all depending on on how many backlinks really the top guy has. So let's go back to the second section, which was this Google My Business section. I don't think you have a listing in here as well, which you definitely need to get done, start gaining more clients. The top guy is Gray Fence Co. So I put him into this local citation finder tool, which is WhiteSpark. I pay monthly for it, and seeing his citations. He has 37 citations, which isn't a lot. It's very beatable. And the best part about this website is that you can click on it and see what citations he has, and all these red marks means it's submittable. See, submittable. So we can go in and submit your business once we get it built up and get all the ones that he has, plus add more to beat him and build out your business, your Google My Business, correct, with more pictures than him, you know, just get better reviews, everything. So, and then the last thing I wanted to go over was the organic section down here at the bottom. Now, backlinks, like I said before, is what will rank you in this. He's your top guy with Gray Fence Co. in second. So I just did a quick search for, was that the top guy? Yeah, the top guy was Latham Fencing in the organic section down here. So I put him into Ahrefs to see what kind of backlinks he has. He only has 10 referring domains, giving him 55 backlinks. That's very beatable too. He's only there by a thread. He has a poor score, which your UR and your DR is your trust flow coming from Google. That's basically your rating that they're giving your website and your trust flow from your backlinks. You want this to be up around 15-15 or 20-20. You want to keep it as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So we can also go in and see what backlinks he has, just like the citations, and go and apply for them to see if the provider will give you a backlink from them as well. But I have access to a big pool of very powerful backlinks that would overtake the competition and get you up in that numbers one spot very quickly too. So once again, I wanted to that was all I wanted to show you for today. So once again, we went over content, which your front page needs to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and we'll put all those keywords in. Now those keywords need to go throughout that content every 100 words, so you don't get stuck for keyword stuffing. And Google doesn't like that as well. If you just spam a bunch of keywords, they know what you're doing. They will flag your site. The second thing was citations, which ranks you in this Google My Business section. So you want to get, I'd like to get 200 to 300, so you swamp the competition. Plus, that's your business name, address, and phone number in directories all over the web, so more people can find you. And the third thing was backlinks. You want to beat out this Latham custom fencing for backlinks, which wouldn't be very hard to do. Like I said, you just need to do it organically and strategically to make it look like it's natural. So now you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a great day. Oh, before I end, sorry, I wanted to show you what a good website. This is one that we built here at Diamond City. This was for a pressure washing guy in South Carolina. But as you can see, the free estimate form gets shot right to your email. All click to call buttons with your Facebook attached. He runs a special used when people use a code, they can pay online. And this is that content I was telling you about as well. All this words is all content, that keywords, pressure washing, Somerville, SC, with pictures, click the call buttons throughout. And this is with your reviews in it as well, with a little site map. So, and all your services can be listed. I know you do lawn and garden as well, which we could put that under your services tabs with galleries, pricing, anything you want we can get done. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day, Andrew. Thanks.